Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this YOUXIU portable Bluetooth speaker with IPX7 water protection. The listing on Amazon says wireless speaker with 20 watts loud stereo sound outdoor sports speaker with Bluetooth 5.0 and 20 hours playtime. Deep bass for home party. It has a standard listing price of around $50, but you can often get really huge discounts. Just check on the price on Amazon. It can be worse, and it comes with a lot of good positive reviews, so looks like most people are happy with it. This is what you get. I mean, for good quality speakers in this size you can easily pay up to $100, so this could be a very good opportunity to get something much cheaper. So here we have also some specs. It looks like it comes in different colors, so let's open the box and see what we get here. Comes nicely protected. Yeah, looks really beautiful. I think we have even a flashlight on one side and the protected control, and we have the charging port here as well. Very good protected opening for the headphones and charging, and even I think micro SD card slot. So looks very solid. It's not super heavy. I think it has a decent weight. So how can we put it? I think probably like this or also like this. I don't know. Sometimes we have speakers which we can put like this as well, and so we have the sound on both sides. So that's a little bit going to be difficult here. The thing is, here we have probably a part of the speaker already. You have to be a little bit careful with this thing here. Apart from that, it looks really solid, sturdy, but probably you have to be a little bit careful with these parts of the speaker on the side. And again, you cannot have it solid like this, so probably either you have to use it like this or this. But we are going to find out regarding the sound, how it sounds the best, and also we are going to test the microphone, of course. I hope I can record something and then let you know. Here we have the USB-C charging cable, which is really good, and we have this 3.5mm audio cable, and here's some instructions manual. I hope I can show you that pretty quickly. Let's see how large this is. Here the full specs. Just make sure that you go to the highest resolution, usually 1080p, put it on pause on every page so you have enough time to read everything. I think that's already it on English. Is it in focus? Maybe not perfectly. Yeah, I think we have it now, and the rest are different languages. Yeah, here I have plugged it in. You can see the red light. When the red light turns off, it's fully charged, and I can see a charge of 1000 milliamps, and it has a total of 3600 milliamps. So I would suggest that probably the whole charge period will be around 4 hours. So it's not fully charged, but I hope we have enough charge to test the thing. So the control panel is a little bit difficult to see. You have to hold it like to the side, and then you can figure out what it is. Here we have the on and the forward and back to the last track, and here we have the equalizer, and here we have the phone functions. And the equalizer is some special function which I haven't seen in any such kind of speakers, where we can improve the sound quality. I'm really interested to see that. For the to power it on, we have to long press, I think, for about 3 seconds.
Power on.
Okay.
Bluetooth mode.
Okay, so it's commenting everything. That's good, so we know in which state it is. So we click on pair new device, and it's already here. Of course, we have to give authorization, and then we pair.
Device paired.
Okay, and it's 70%. So if you want to know how much charge you have, you can see that here. Okay, so let's try the microphone. I have no clue where the microphone is. I'm trying around a little bit. You can see sometimes some openings here. Yeah, really nice color. I have really no clue where the microphone is. So I've been trying to find out where the microphone sits and I couldn't find, but what I have found that the microphone quality is really good and it's also really good from everywhere. I'm going to play that a little bit from here directly with this player. Recording from the top, speaker recording from the bottom, speaker recording while turning this thing around. Okay, yeah, this is what I've been doing to try to find out where the microphone sits, and it's really difficult to find out because the quality of the microphone seems to be really good everywhere. So here I have some audio tests which I've been recording to YouTube. Now you can listen to that. You can also see the really beautiful audio effects. I mean the optical effects which are suitable or matching the audio. It's really nice. You have this also on this side. You can probably put it like this, then you have even a better sound. There's no flat surface or no flat area here, unfortunately. Some of the speakers really have something flat, but you have to find your own position or put it somewhere where it's safe, and then you have the sound on both sides. Yeah, the good thing is that it actually doesn't matter how you hold this speaker. You can have it like this, you can have it like this, or you can have it on the side. There's almost no difference. With some speakers you have really huge limitations. You have to make sure that you have it in a perfect position. Here you have a really cool sound almost everywhere. Now let's try the equalizer. Yeah, I think there's a little bit more bass sound here. Yeah, audio really good, and we can increase the audio volume by a lot and it stays really super clean. I can show you that here. Yeah, that's a lot, and it stays really good. So yeah, I'm having a little bit of problems turning the volume down, but usually it's not a problem, and we can adjust the volume here, or we can adjust it here. If it's not possible to increase the volume here enough, then you probably are not high enough here. That's really important. But you can hear, yeah, it's really good, and also the audio effect, I mean the optical effect, is very beautiful. We can also invoke the Google Assistant here with a long press. You can see that here, and now it's trying to identify what I'm saying here, so I'm stopping this thing here before it's doing crazy stuff. But you can see how it works. We can also long press here with up and down to go to next track or previous track. Has also been working really good. Yeah, now when I'm just on the preview here, it's not working, but when I'm on the full screen, then it's usually working. At least it has been. Now I have been somehow disconnected, and we can turn on and turn off the illumination or the like the effect, which is based on the music. Really nice, and there's no interruption. You can see that turn on, turn off works immediately. Everything works really good. It's really reliable, it's good, it has really an awesome sound, especially bass sound. We have the equalizer, we have a really solid microphone which you can use also for making phone calls. So I would say there's absolutely nothing to complain. If you can get this for a really cheap price, I would say $50 or below, just go and buy the thing, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.